Autarky Designs. Autarky Designs. Autarky Designs.
You know it.
Autarky Designs.
Hey YouTube, what's going on? I don't know if you can see it on my face, but it is 12:30. I've been in bed for the past 45 minutes and I cannot sleep at all. At all. It's like my brain and my body is boycotting this one. So, yeah, they're working together this time. But I got the remedy inside. Took me a while to figure it out, but I said let me come out here and give you guys a how-to. So, been showing you guys this in a couple of videos for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and install one. See if that'll wear my tail out so I can go to sleep. Also, throw these on in the process. So, let me go get the right tools so I can tell you what the right tools to use to get this job done correctly. And I'm gonna time myself. So I got an early day tomorrow. And I guarantee you, for every reaction, you get that reaction. Yeah, we're gonna see what tomorrow night be like. But anyway, hold on, let me go get these tools and we're gonna get started on this. Alright, got the tools. Got a, I call this a power handle. So my dad called it back in the day. Some people call it a breaker bar. I got 2 1/2-inch ratchets. 1/2-inch open and close ratchet and wrench. You can get a regular one if you choose. And I got 4 different sets of 19 mil or 3/4. So let's get started and see how this goes. Hey YouTube, what's going on? this one, this one. So 3 pieces of 4 are in, plus the TIEN Flex coilover. Alright, I think they manufactured these to go in only one way, the way the sleeve is set, because I tried to turn it around so I could see the name of it, but it won't go in. Flipped it back around and slid right on. So I think they're made that way. But yeah, TIEN Flex Z coilover for 240SX and powder coated control arms for the rear. So hour and 22 minutes. I'm still not done because this number 4, the piece of the ball joint, I need to hammer the piece that goes around the ball joint, and folks are sleeping, so don't want to wake nobody up. But yeah, there you have it. Got a screw right on there, so I'm good. Comes with its own nut anyway. So that's what hour and 22 minutes got me. It's still not tightened up. Just got everything put back in place. So as soon as I take this piece off, I'll go ahead and tighten and torque everything down. Comparison. I'll match these up. All right. Tops. Okay. Watch carefully. Came loose. All right. That's about a 2-inch drop. Love it. Hopefully I can knock the rest of this out tomorrow if I'm not sleeping, because I'm not sleeping right now for some reason, but hey, it's almost 2. Take a shower. I'm getting my black and yellow and lay it down so I can get up and go. But yeah, hour and 22 to get this far. I figure another 15 minutes taking the lower control arm out, putting the new one in, bolting and torquing everything down, and it'll be done. You won't get to see me do the other side because you've seen pretty much everything on this side. The fronts, only thing I'm doing is changing the shocks out for the coilovers, and that's it. So when the wheels go back on, you guys will see the finished product, height and everything. I won't be adjusting it here, but once I get the other side on and the front coilers on, close this video out hopefully by tomorrow. Today is Monday, so hopefully Tuesday night you guys will be watching this. And yeah, go ahead and get the control arms out of the way. They've been powder coated so long, you know. But hey, let me go shower.